Option C. Anil asked Riya that he knows where everything was kept in the kitchen. Anil said to Riya, I know where everything is kept in the kitchen. He said, 2 and 2 make 4. Option B. He said that 2 and 2 make 4. Prem said that he had been listening to music for an hour. Option A. Prem said, I have been listening to music for an hour. My son exclaimed with joy that it was an attractive sight. Option B. My son said, what an attractive sight it is. The sage said, man proposes and God disposes. Option D. The sage said that man proposes and God disposes. Nandini said, I bought a pen yesterday. Option B. Nandini said that she had bought a pen the previous day. She said to her maid, clean the utensils properly. Option A. She ordered her maid to clean the utensils properly. He said that something might be missing in there. Option A. He said, something may be missing in here. Radha said, why didn't he forward his petition to me? Option C. Radha inquired why he had not forwarded his petition to her. We had opened the lock, they told me. Option D. They told me that they had opened the lock. The driver asked a passerby if he could tell him the way to the market. Option B. The driver said to a passerby, can you tell me the way to the market? What a hopeless fellow you are, said the teacher to the student. Option C. The teacher told the student that he was a very hopeless fellow. Stop, don't fight, said the mother to her children. Option D. The mother exclaimed angrily to her children to stop and not fight. She said, "May God bless you." Option B. She prayed that God might bless me. He said, "Hurrah, we have won the match." Option A. He exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. "What an enormous pumpkin," said the boy. Option C. The boy exclaimed with surprise that it was an enormous pumpkin. She suggested that we should postpone the meeting. Option D. She said, "Let us postpone the meeting." The teacher ordered the students to open their books. Option B. The teacher said, "Open your books." She said, "Can you help me with this problem?" Option C. She asked whether I could help her with that problem. She said, "May you succeed in your exam." Option B. She wished that I might succeed in my exam. He exclaimed with regret that he had lost his purse. Option D. He said, "Alas, I had lost my purse." She asked me if I had seen her book anywhere. Option B. She said, "Have you seen my book anywhere?" He said, "How cruelly the master treats the servants." Option A. He exclaimed that the master treated the servants cruelly. The old man prayed that God might bless me. Option C. The old man said, "May God bless you." He exclaimed with joy that his friend had won the prize. Option B, he said, "Hurrah! My friend had won the prize." He said to me, "Please lend me your pen." Option A, he requested me to lend him my pen. He asked me where I had been the previous night. Option D, he said, "Where were you last night?" He said, "I will call you the day after tomorrow." Option C, he said that he would call me 2 days later. He exclaimed sorrowfully that the old man was dead. Option B, he said, "Alas, the old man was dead." He said, "Had I known about it, I would have helped you." Both option A and B